as a person who likes the solution, I will say I kind of was drawing pictures of how these technologies might fit together. And I think if you put them together, they're actually quite interesting. So what you're going to hear, we're going to traverse a really interesting commerce, logistics, and manufacturing continuum. And we're going to jump back and forth. So you got to try to keep up. We're going to start out with the front end, which is the shopping site, the e-commerce piece, where the idea of algorithms has been so focused on personalization and selling more stuff. However, there's another side of the picture. And so we're going to hear from Renoon. Here is our first presentation, and we'll then get into the next step of the journey. And I hope you're as excited about it as I am. So please, you have the floor.
Thank you. So Renoon starts with, so my background is in the clothing and apparel space. So this is where we started with our company. So we're currently serving retail companies, selling physical products and especially online. What currently Renoon is helping them with is really change this. And there's two reasons why we felt and we see companies needing a solution to this is on one side, really establish that connection with consumers and creating a positive loop that actually enables them to really motivate the sustainable transformation within the company, meaning that the more managers and sustainable transformation people can demonstrate that actually putting money in this project returns an investment, the more the company can also invest in this journey. And on the other side, it's compliance. So a lot of it is coming up, especially with Europe. This is going to become compulsory for companies as well to make sure that they're not greenwashing and to make sure that they can substantiate any claim that they're making around whether a product is recycled and really go specific about it. What specifically did with Renoon we're currently helping companies with is through two tools mainly. So one side is build your community. So we have an app that any consumers can download. It's called Renoon as our company, and they can search for any company. So there they can actually see which claims the company have verified, and we have verified for them. And the other side is an impact label, so actually a widget that can be integrated within the e-commerce of the company and really include all this information in one place in order to really motivate and give all the information that consumers might need to really understand if this company is legit or not in terms of their claims. And everything is actually managed from our dashboard. So the dashboard is currently powered through different sources of, it aggregates and integrates different sources of information from the company to really have a picture and a constant automated way to showcase and display what a company is currently doing at the brand level and deep at the product level. So currently we've worked and processed through 50 million of items. This is how we've created the framework to really help companies create that the tool that they can use them to report internally and then externally. And this is also where, for the topic of today, we use machine learning to process most of this data, especially at the product level. So this is how what our consumer widget looks like. This is basically what it's integrated within the e-commerce. So really making sure that any claim is substantiated with deep at the proof point level. So really consumers can go deep and really understanding what it is that it's making this product sustainable. And here it's an important definition and separation, because also we were talking about it before. What is e-commerce? What is sustainability? Because with sustainability, we mix here sustainability and transparency. So on one side, we enable transparency information to come into play, and sustainability on the other hand, powering then it's what the business needs to do in the back end to really improve and constantly iterate on its products and its services. Yeah, this is included within our tool to really enable them to uncover all of these opportunities and have one place where they can save time and manage everything at once. This is us. So we are currently working with a whole range of partners. We actually launched our platform last year and gathered more than 500,000 of data points. We're currently onboarding all of our first clients this year. And yeah, we've been working with Ellen MacArthur Foundation, if anyone is in the clothing space, and also manufacturers around, to also help them inside of our transparency module and different platforms. And yeah, this is us. Also a little bit about our investors and our location. So definitely, if anyone has any questions and is in the fashion space or in the manufacturing space, love to chat.